I just recorded that whole video without hitting the record button. And I just thought I was turning the camera off, but I actually hit record, so now I'm recording. What's going on, guys? Leaman Griffin here. It's Thanksgiving week. I hope you guys are having a great week. I know I'm off to an early start. It's cold outside. You can see all that garbage in the truck exhaust, all that steam. It's actually quite a lot. Hope you guys are taking off this week, or at least enjoying your Thanksgiving week with family and friends. And today's video is a giveaway video. So we're gonna be giving away something a little bit bigger than normal, and we're doing it for Thanksgiving week, and the giveaway ends Friday, the day after Thanksgiving. So that's 5 days, including today, that you have to enter the giveaway. And all you have to do is comment below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And one comment is one entry. You cannot comment multiple times and get multiple entries. You can comment all the times you want, but only one of them will count towards your entry. So if you want to enter more than once, you got to sign up for another YouTube channel or a YouTube account and then comment under that account. So anyway, let's get to it. Let's get the day started, and I'll show you guys what we're giving away. So we're out and about now. We are headed to Mid-South Tire and Wheel. We're gonna pick up the giveaway. I feel like I'm there all the time. I know I'm probably annoying these guys, but they run a really good business. They've got really great product, awesome prices, super friendly guys. And they're not paying me to say this. I really like those guys. So Jason especially, I've known him for probably 6 or 7 years, and we were good friends before he even got into that business. So
a few moments later.
Isn't that typical that every time you get in your car, like you go to push the button on the door handle, it's already unlocked, and you push it and you lock it and you try to pull it and you're like, oh crap, and you push it again? It's kind of like that USB meme I see where if you put the USB in one way, it doesn't fit, and then you flip it over and it doesn't fit, and then you flip it back the way you had it and now it fits this time. Anyway. So we just left Mid-South Tire and Wheel. I don't know why I never film in there. I just get to talking and I forget about it. We've got our giveaway, and I'm doing 2 of them. What's up, buddy?
What's up, man?
What are you doing?
Trying to ask them about a dyno.
They ain't got no dyno here no more.
You know?
Yeah, hold on. Oh. You guys remember this guy? Well, no, I don't think I did a video on this.
No, I don't think you did. Yeah.
I put the flags on this car. It looks good. Man, this thing looks good in the sun. Woo. What's up, buddy?
What's going on, man?
This is
What are you giving away?
Project ZL1, right?
Yes.
That's your, yeah, Project ZL1's his channel name. Check him out on YouTube. He's got this bad ZL1 Camaro. I'll tell you what sets it apart. This right here. I don't know who did that for you, but that came out really nice.
Yeah, you did a pretty good job. I hear it's a custom design.
Yeah. It was kind of a one-off thing. That flake, man, holy cow! I remember you telling me about that.
It's more flake than it is black.
Jeez, man, there's so much flake in that paint. I mean, you couldn't see it at all in my driveway.
At night, yeah.
You couldn't see it at all. Yeah.
Yeah, I would imagine it's a nightmare to try to fix if something got wrecked on it.
Yeah, man, I'd just sell it at that point, right? Hey. Good seeing you again, man.
All right, man. Take it easy.
Yeah, bud. Take care. Y'all subscribe. Project ZL1 on YouTube.
Yeah, buddy.
She's bad. All right. Where were we? Let's go. There it is. There it is. Huh? Sounds good. Sounds good. So, just left Mid-South Tire and Wheel. I am not a Dodge guy, but man, she's clean. And we're headed to the house now, and I'll let you guys know what we are giving away. So we've got to make a little bit of a pit stop. There's this really cool wooden bridge up here. See where it's at? It's coming up. There's this really cool wooden bridge that I took some pictures of my Corvette when I had it, and it was a cool photo shoot, and I've been wanting to take pictures of my truck there for a while, and I'm in the area, so we're gonna make a little detour and check it out. Ooh, rubbing all the way. I don't rub normally, but when it flexes out like that, I rub. All right. So as you can see, this is a pretty sweet spot here. We're just kind of perched up on this one-lane wooden bridge. We got the creek below. I'd say that's a pretty good photo opportunity. And they're probably already going to be on Instagram by the time you see this video. But if you want, you can give me a follow anyway, at Leaman Griffin. Check out the pictures, and let's get these so we can get out of the way and not block up traffic. All right, guys, so we're back home, and now it's time to reveal... Hi, Landon wants to say hi.
Hi.
So we're back home, and now we're going to reveal what the giveaway is. It is a suspension giveaway. So I'm giving away 2 leveling kits for any Chevy full-size truck or SUV, half-ton, not 3/4 ton. So any Silverado 1500, GMC Sierra, Tahoe, Suburban from 2007 all the way up to the new body styles 2019 and 20. Right there, giving away 2 of them. I just went and picked them up today from Mid-South Tire and Wheel. It's the same leveling kit that I have on my truck right now. It's a 2-inch front leveling kit. Really easy to install. It's a strut spacer on the bottom. I'll show you guys what it is here. Brand new kits. Really nice kit. Comes with instructions, bolts, everything you need, and we're giving away 2 of them. So in order to win this giveaway, all you have to do is comment on this video on YouTube and subscribe to my channel. That's it. 1 comment will get you 1 entry. If you make multiple comments, it will not get you entries. Only 1 entry per user. So if you want to enter more than 1 time, I guess just make another YouTube account and comment under that account. But we're going to do the drawing Friday, Black Friday 2019, the day after Thanksgiving. We're going to do it between 5 and 7 p.m. and we're going to announce 2 winners of this 2-inch leveling kit, free shipping to your door. No purchase necessary to enter. All you got to do is comment and subscribe.
And I'm going to do the drawing with him.
Yeah, and Landon's going to do the drawing with me. So you want to be in that video too? All right, cool. So there you go, guys. 2007 and up, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, doesn't matter as long as it's not the 2500. So if you have one of those vehicles, comment, subscribe, and you're entered on the giveaway.